saw last week's video, you already know that I went from curly to a blowout, and for this week I went from a blowout to curly. So I already washed my hair, but I do want to go over the steps that I took to transition back to curly. So first things first, after you blow out your hair from having it curly, right, when you want to go back to curly after blowing it out, you really want to make sure that you are using products that are going to strengthen your hair again, because you did put it through stress by straightening using heat. So we want to give it the strength back and give it some moisture as well. So you don't want to skip out on using a bond repair treatment. That's basically a pre-treatment before you shampoo. Right now there are 2 bond repair treatments out on the market. We have Olaplex number 3, which I did a video on a few months back, and then we have Curlsmith as well. In today's video I decided to use the Curlsmith one. It is called the Bond Curl Rehab. This is what the bottle looks like. The reason why I decided to go with this one and not Olaplex number 3 is because this one has more natural ingredients. I realized that my scalp, it seems to be very itchy, a little inflamed. I have a scab as well. I don't know how I got it. I don't know what's going on. So I really wanted to make sure that the products that I'm using for this wash day are more on the natural side. Also, before washing my hair, I did put some oil on my scalp to kind of calm the inflammation and refresh my scalp a little bit. The oils that I used were rosemary, castor, jojoba, eucalyptus, peppermint, and I'm missing another one, but I can't remember. But pretty much I put all my oils in a little bottle and I mixed it up, and I just put it on my scalp and I massaged my scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then put the bond repair treatment on my hair. I might add a clip to start off this wash day. I will be applying some oils on my scalp along with the bond repair treatment. I just want to put oils that will help invigorate my scalp, help soothe my scalp, and those oils are castor oil, I'm gonna put peppermint oil, eucalyptus, rosemary. When it comes to my shampoo, I'm also gonna be using a very gentle shampoo. Here I have my oil concoction, and I'm just gonna apply it on my scalp and give myself a scalp massage. Start damping my hair so I can put the treatment in. Okay, hair is damp, and now I'm gonna start applying the product. Always starting from the bottom and then working my way up. I think I have enough, and now I'm gonna put my hair up and wait 15 minutes. So I left the treatment in my hair for 15 minutes. You can leave it anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour in your hair, but no more than an hour. And I'm talking about the bond repair treatment from Curlsmith. After that, I washed my hair in the shower. The shampoo that I decided to use was a co-wash. Now the reason why I use a co-wash is because, again, my scalp is very sensitive right now. I'm not sure what's going on, so I just wanted to put things that were going to make my scalp feel very nice, very happy. Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Moisture Co-Wash. This is much gentler than a shampoo, and I didn't put any product in my hair. The only product I had put in my hair when I blowed it out was my leave-in conditioner, and coconut oil was my thermal protector. So I know that I didn't have a lot of product buildup, so I didn't have to use an actual shampoo. So I opted for the co-wash, and I'm glad I did because my scalp feels so much better now. Put this on your scalp and your hair as well. You leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you rinse it off. After that, I went in with a strengthening deep conditioner that also has rosemary and mint, which gives me this cool, refreshing feeling on my scalp. The deep conditioner that I used was the Maya Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. So these are my final results. Thank you guys so much for staying till the end. My name is Ruby Patchouli, and I'll see you guys next week.